Hello, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching us from. My name is Abiodun James. We are live at Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Now, the installation begins. As you can see, the installation begins today, 17 March 2023. As you can see, you can contact us on 08063098718 for your gypsum ceiling design. Gypsum ceiling design, Armstrong ceiling design, POP ceiling design. We are the best, and we are simply the best. Thank you. We update you as soon as we are done on this installation. Thank you. God bless you. Please share it to your family and friends. God bless you.